Soapstone is a versatile material that is easy to work with. Visually appealing objects which additionally have a haptic component can be made from it, because properly processed soapstone feels very smooth and pleasant. Patterns can be engraved in soapstone, figures can be carved from it, pendants or special polished stones can be crafted. Care should be taken to use asbestos-free soapstone. When working with soapstone, tools specially designed for this purpose should be used. Instruments for carving or processing cured soap are only suitable for working with soapstone to a limited extent, as the material is similar to soap but still has a different composition. Special files, carving tools and machines with various grinding or drilling attachments are used to file, grind, engrave or drill through the soft stone. With a machine, different speeds can be used to grind rough shapes out of the stone or to engrave deep, wide patterns. Do not use a lot of pressure or force, otherwise the stone could break or you could slip and injure yourself. For finer detail work, a correspondingly small attachment should be selected. Otherwise, such a work step should be done manually with a file, rasp or similar tool. When working with soapstone, an apron, safety goggles and an FFP2 mask should be worn, as a lot of dust is produced which can contaminate clothing or get into the respiratory tract or eyes. Soapstone changes its color when it gets into contact with liquids. To test the color change before using oil which permanently changes the coloring of the stone, you can use water to see how the stone would look like. However, the stone must be completely dry before the final processing with oil, because the water keeps the stone from absorbing the oil. The oil should be applied with a soft towel, with which the stone is carefully rubbed and polished. After that, the soapstone must dry. This usually only takes a few minutes. Attention! The oil is flammable, may make irritations to the skin, and its vapors may make dizzy or sleepy. Therefore it should be used carefully and in a well-ventilated area. For special gloss effects, clear varnish can be applied afterwards. And now, have fun, be creative.